Epcon Communities is brand new to our area. You might have seen information popping up in Westfield and Carmel about it, but we're here to give you a sneak peek of the community in Carmel. And you know we love a good cribs tour. So let's go inside, check out their luxury ranch homes. Hi,
Jillian. So good to see you.
Thanks for having us. I cannot wait to see inside.
Come on in.
Wow, it is gorgeous in here. Kara, tell us about this space.
Yes, absolutely, Jillian. So we're standing in our Promenade design, brand new model home that we just opened in the Courtyards of Carmel.
And I know people might have heard the term low maintenance homes before, but this one's really special. Tell us a little bit about that.
Absolutely. So our zero-step luxury ranch design sets us apart. I can tell you that you will not see anything like this out there in the market today. Our homes are based on years of research. What are our homeowners looking for? The number one thing, privacy. So you'll see all of our homes have a private outdoor courtyard space that are incorporated that you can access from all major areas of the home, from the living room, from the master suite.
And Kara, I have to say, immediately my eyes have been drawn to this kitchen here. It's so pretty.
Isn't it beautiful? And that's what sets us apart. Back to the research, Jillian. Number two, what our homeowners are looking for, personalization. This kitchen is a great example. This is our gourmet kitchen.
Yeah, in general, I'm just looking at the floor plan and noticing the layout. What do you offer?
This home here, this is our entertainer's home. That's the vision of this home. But in general, we have options for 1,700 square feet up to 4,000 square feet, just depending on what you need.
So it could be perfect for entertaining here. I can see it with how open it is. And I'm noticing the staircase behind us too.
Yes, all of our homes have the option to do a bonus suite. As I've said, zero-step luxury ranch designs. But if you choose that you want that space upstairs, maybe have grandkids, kids, just a getaway.
Clearly there's a demand for this type of unit.
There's a huge demand. And Jillian, I'm glad you say that. One of the things that sets us apart is what happens outside of these walls. We take pride in building a sense of community in our areas. So no rake, no mower, low maintenance.
And I know in general with a community like this, you have the chance to really socialize and do some fun things with the others who live here.
Absolutely, and that's what sets us apart. All of our communities feature clubhouses, pools, many of them have bocce ball, pickleball, walking trails. Active lifestyles are what we're after.
Well, as people are starting to see more and more about these communities and they're thinking they maybe want to get in here for a tour, what do they need to know?
First, start at epconindianapolis.com so you can see our models, then come out to see us. We're open in Westfield on the weekends. We're open on the weekends in Carmel. Come see us.
Well, thank you for this tour, Kara. We appreciate it. Like Kara said, if you want more information, we've got the website popping up on the screen for you, and we'll have more Indy Now coming up right after this.